Replacing windows is one of the most valuable upgrades for any home, especially in Gilbert, Arizona, where intense sunlight and high temperatures are the norm. The right replacement windows improve energy efficiency, boost your home's appearance, and add value. Here's everything you need to know about replacement window installation in Gilbert, from choosing the right materials to understanding the installation process. Why replace your windows? In Gilbert's desert climate, windows endure constant exposure to sun and temperature fluctuations, which can cause wear and reduce efficiency over time. If your windows are drafty, hard to open, or show signs of damage, it's likely time for a replacement. New windows provide several benefits. Energy savings. Replacement windows improve insulation, keeping the hot air out and the cool air in, which can reduce your energy bills. Increased home value. Modern, energy-efficient windows are a selling point for homebuyers and can increase the value of your property. Enhanced comfort. Well-insulated windows help regulate indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable year-round. Improved curb appeal. New windows can instantly update the appearance of your home's exterior, boosting its overall aesthetic. Choosing the right window material for Gilbert's climate. In Gilbert, Arizona, window material selection is key to ensuring durability and energy efficiency. Here are some popular materials for replacement windows. Vinyl. Vinyl windows are affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. They're resistant to fading, warping, and cracking, making them ideal for Gilbert's heat. Aluminum. Aluminum frames are durable and offer a modern look. While they aren't as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass, aluminum windows with thermal breaks can help minimize heat transfer. Fiberglass. Although more expensive, fiberglass windows are exceptionally durable, energy efficient, and resistant to weather changes, making them a strong choice for Gilbert's climate. Wood-clad. Wood-clad windows provide a natural look with a durable exterior. While beautiful, wood requires more maintenance to withstand Gilbert's intense sun and dry air. Each material has its pros and cons, so it's essential to weigh your priorities in terms of budget, durability, and aesthetics when selecting a material for your replacement windows. Popular window styles for Gilbert homes. Choosing the right window style is just as important as selecting the material. Here are some styles that work well in Gilbert homes. Single hung and double hung. These traditional styles are affordable and functional. Single hung windows open from the bottom, while double hung windows allow for both top and bottom ventilation. Sliding windows. Ideal for larger openings, sliding windows offer an unobstructed view and are easy to operate. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward, providing excellent ventilation and sealing tightly when closed, which enhances energy efficiency. Picture windows. Fixed, non-operable windows, like picture windows, maximize natural light and views. They're also highly energy efficient due to their sealed design. Selecting the right style will depend on your home's architectural design, your budget, and your ventilation needs. A window replacement expert in Gilbert can help you make the best choice for each room. The installation process explained. Professional installation is essential for maximizing the performance of your new windows. Here's what you can expect during the installation process. Assessment and measurements. Before installation, a professional will inspect your current windows and take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. They'll check for any structural issues that could impact installation. Removal of old windows. The old windows are carefully removed without damaging the surrounding frame or wall. This step requires skill to avoid damaging the structure around the window opening. Preparation of the opening. The installer will clean and prep the opening to ensure a secure fit for the new window. Any minor repairs to the window opening are done at this stage. Installation of new windows. The replacement window is placed in the opening, aligned, and secured with screws. The installer will make sure it's level and plumb for smooth operation and maximum energy efficiency. Sealing and insulation. Insulation is added around the window to prevent drafts, and high-quality caulking is applied to create a tight seal, keeping the elements out. Final inspection. After installation, the installer will check each window for proper operation, clean up the work area, and ensure that you're satisfied with the results. Maintaining your replacement windows. Proper maintenance is essential to prolong the life of your replacement windows and keep them looking new. Here are some tips for Gilbert homeowners. Clean windows regularly. Use a soft cloth and mild detergent to clean the frames and glass, avoiding abrasive cleaners that can damage finishes. Inspect for air leaks. Check for drafts around the window seals, especially after extreme weather. Reseal as needed to maintain energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts. For operable windows, lubricate hinges and tracks with a silicone-based lubricant to keep them functioning smoothly. Protect against sun damage. Consider adding UV protective film or shades to reduce sun exposure and protect frames and interior furnishings from fading. Choosing a reliable installer in Gilbert. Selecting the right installer is critical to a successful window replacement project. Look for a reputable company in Gilbert with experience in local window installations. A reliable installer will offer transparent pricing, warranties on both products and workmanship, and provide a thorough consultation to help you choose the best options for your home. Replacement window installation is an investment that enhances your Gilbert home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. By choosing the right materials and styles and partnering with a skilled installer, you can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting windows that withstand Gilbert's unique climate. If you're considering window replacement, reach out to a trusted local provider who can guide you through the process and deliver results that make your home more energy efficient and visually appealing. With the right replacement windows, you can look forward to a more comfortable and stylish home for years to come.